Nick here from TV Magic. We're about to build another home theatre. This is a Dolby Atmos surround sound system that's configured for a home setting. With Dolby Atmos, it's designed so that you don't really know where the sound is coming from. It creates a surround sound atmosphere, and that's why we have to have extra speakers put in certain positions to create the experience. We've got a couple of Klipsch R600 front tower speakers, Klipsch R30 center speaker, some rear on-wall Klipsch speakers. I'm going to be using two 10-inch Klipsch subs, a really nice 4K Epson 9400 projector, then in 7.2 channel X2800 amplifier to run it all. We'll also be installing two Klipsch 8-inch in-ceiling speakers just above the seating to create more of a Dolby Atmos system. Old speakers didn't have this little contraption here. You have to push them up in the ceiling and then hold them there while you screwed up all the screws individually. And as you screwed them, you sort of clamp down on the plasterboard. Really time consuming and fiddly. These are easy. We'll be running everything through a Apple TV 4K player. All the streaming apps like Kayo and Netflix and Disney and all the free-to-air apps can come through there as well.
This particular projector I think was installed with the home when it was first built. I think it's about 15 years old and probably not up to today's standards. We're running old componentry in here. We do have a HDMI in, but not running 4K, so it's HD ready, but not actually 4K. So for our modern equipment, such as our Apple TV, etc., we want to run something a bit more up to date, and that's why we're installing the new Epson.
So this screen is okay for this room. It's a really nice size for this room. As you can see, there's a cabinet here, so we can't really go any bigger with the screen. I had a quick look at the brand. It's an LP Morgan, which is a nice brand. The felt's in really good condition, and the screen's in good condition as well. So it's really not necessary to upgrade that screen in this room. Okay, so we've got all the gear in now for our customer. We're just about to clean up the room and get all the furniture in. We're about to fire this bad boy up. Show you how it sounds. If you'd like your dream home theatre, book us online at tvmagic.com.au.